to today's video, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me to go to a restaurant. Yay! As you can see, I still gotta get ready, but the first thing I will be doing is I have to make myself some tea to get myself all ready. It makes me feel so good when I drink it. So I'm so excited. This is gonna be the tea I'm drinking. It is vanilla bean macaron hazard tea. I got this from Target and it's super duper delicious. I drink this in another green tea and I love it so much. This is the tea bag and it smells really good inside. Gosh, it smells like cinnamon. Okay, alright, so my tea is just cooling down right now, but I just want to let you know, please like and subscribe. It would mean so much to us and I really appreciate it. And I really want to get to 200 subscribers. That would be really cool. So please make sure to like and subscribe. My tea is made. This is what it looks like. Oh look. Okay, it's good. This is so good. So good. Tea made me feel so good, but this is my purse. I got some stuff, and the first thing I need is some lip chap. Chap is going to be going in the front. This is it. It is really good, so I just want to use this. And the next thing I need is my compact mirror. It's really good. So I'm putting it with the makeup. Next, I need the sticky note with my order, which is right over here. So it's a little bit wet, but that's okay. Now I need my lip gloss. I'm going to be wearing this one. I got this from e.l.f. and it's super duper good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, yes. And then after that, sunglasses. These are my sunglasses. And after that, I need hand sanitizer because I always want to keep my hands clean. Actually, I need some hand sanitizer. And I also need a pencil too. I'm going to be meeting with my Now I'm getting some hair ties. And some hand wipes. I don't know. My younger sister's doing a get ready with me, so make sure to check that out too. Because she does a really good job and she's really funny. Alright guys, so I just brushed my teeth, so now I'm going to be putting on my makeup. Be right back. I'm going to make it look somewhat like this. It doesn't look like that. So let me see if I can do it. Eyeshadow look. Putting my e.l.f. camo concealer, hydrating camo concealer on. So I need some concealer. My sponge to front one. It looks like. It looks good. And the foundation powder on. Also, this mirror has really been helping me this whole time. It's really good. This is how the powder looks. I think it looks pretty good. Next I'm going to be doing some blush with my chromatic stick. So let's do this. Blush on. This is what it looks like. Pretty good. I need my brush and my sponge and my other sponge thing and my brush, and then I'm gonna get back and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm going to be wearing. So yay! No, I'm not gonna put anything on my lips, and you might be like, why are you not putting anything on your lips? Well, I don't want to put it until the car because it might just wear off. But in the pictures you'll see, and if you looked at what I packed in my purse, that's basically what I'm gonna be putting on my lips. So. What do you guys think? Like if you think I did a good job. Make sure to subscribe and like. Hey, I'm looking at the person and they are totally This is totally similar.
Oh my gosh!
It's totally similar. Alright everyone, it's 12 o'clock, which means I'm gonna be getting dressed now. I'm really excited and we're gonna go in 30 minutes. Like crazy. The dress I'm gonna wear, it looks really weird now because I have to button it up. But this is kind of what it looks like. Okay, it'll be way easier to see on me, so bye. This is the dress. Wait, let me just like position. That's the dress. My hair. It literally will mess up, I know. Like by the time I really get there, I might have to brush it again like before I leave. This is kind of like the end basically of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you really enjoyed it. And I hope you all have a really good day. Make sure to subscribe and like. Have a great, I love you all. Bye. This is the photo we took before we went into the restaurant. This is a delicious flatbread pizza I ordered. It was so good. They gave us free bread and salad. This is the free bread. It's so good. This is the piece of tiramisu I got. It was so delicious. Bring some wait, is that a hair tie on my foot? Oh, it's a broken hair tie on my foot. There's soap in my hair. Delightful. So we're gonna be doing our own thing. Woo! So, face wash just fell on the floor.